Hi, I'm an old guy and I do maths, and the title of this might look a little confusing. A squared plus b squared plus rearrangements, question mark. I get asked a lot of the time why Pythagoras' theorem kind of mutates, why it swaps around. And what I'm going to assume in this video is that you are at least familiar with Pythagoras' theorem, a squared plus b squared equals c squared, where you have a right-angled triangle, and that this would be a, this would be b, and this would be c. And if we knew these two sides, we could find this side. So a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Now, so that works for that. Where we don't know that, but we do know this. So if this is 3 and this is 4, we can work out what c is, because 3 squared plus 4 squared equals 25. The square root of 25 equals 5. That has found c. Now, we're going to use the same numbers, but we're going to do something different. We're going to go looking for A and for B. So the first time we're going to go looking for A, and so we have C and B, and we know that B is 4 and we know that C is 5. Now, the rearranged formula for this is C squared minus B squared equals A squared. Why? Well, we took the two short sides and squared them and got the square of the long side. So this is the long side here. The hypotenuse is always the long side. So logic would suggest that if we had the long side, we could square it, square the side we know, subtract that, so c squared minus b squared, and we would get a squared. And that is why when you are looking for a, which you don't know, the formula changes, and it changes to this. Now, if all of this is just too confusing, simply copy this much down. Take the three diagrams, I'm going to do this one in a minute, and apply, according to what is there and what is not, the particular formula. So this time we're going to have A, and we're going to go looking for B. So we still know that that is 5, and we know that this is 3 from this one over here. What is B? Well, c squared minus a squared is going to equal b squared. So 25 c squared minus 9 a squared is going to equal b squared. So 25 minus 9 is 16. The square root of 16 is 4. So let me do the numbers. I'll do this in blue ink. 5 squared, that's c squared, minus 4 squared equals a squared. 25 minus 16 equals 9. A equals the square root of 9, which equals 3. That's that. C squared, same as before, 5 squared minus a squared, 9, which is 3 squared, equals 25 minus 9 is 16. B is equal to the square root of 16, which equals 4. That is why Pythagoras gets rearranged. That is how Pythagoras gets rearranged. And again, I say that if you are confused by this still, just note this down. Put it in your notes, carry it around with you, and you can't go wrong. Thanks very much for watching. See you next time. Bye.